going on, guys? It's your boy LLB. Today we are joined by one of my subscribers, Agui Fox.
Hello.
Who recently won a beat battle, smashed it with his beat battle beat, to be fair. But today we're going to be exposing him. We've got a little challenge on your hands. So basically I'm going to put like 5 or 6 different genres into a roulette. We're going to spin the roulette and then we've got half an hour to make a whole beat in that style. Sound good?
Sounding good.
Alright, cool. Alright, what genres shall we go for? Let's go. We'll just go trap, play it safe for one.
Drill, maybe?
Drill. Let's throw in like a random one like new jazz.
Jersey?
Jersey. R&B.
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
And then some random one like
one challenging.
Like drum and bass. We'll try that. Alright, let's give it a spin. How do I spin this? New jazz.
Oh, okay.
How you feeling about new jazz?
An adventure.
An adventure. Okay. Alright, let's try it. Alright, let's get 30 minutes on the clock. But yeah, alright, 30 minutes. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, I'm just gonna start with some chords. Just literally this.
B minor?
Yeah. Bum, bum, bum.
Oh. D minor goes wild.
Keep it there. Let me just put some like cheap sounds in there. Like,
yeah, leads and stuff.
I think the good thing about new jazz is you can kind of keep it dry, like sounds don't have to be like super processed.
Yeah, that's the thing. I actually feel like a lead that actually blends in with the other notes.
Yeah.
That type of stuff.
Yeah. Oh, did I go to D minor? Let's just switch it so we can be quick.
Fuck! Great. We're wasting time here. I don't know anything about this.
That could work, to be fair.
Yeah, that's simple. Let's go.
Yeah, that's true.
Ah! I'm panicking. Jesus.
Be like a different bit at the end, just the last two.
Yeah.
A little different switch up. Yeah, that's it. On the EJ bar. Minutes left. Good.
No pressure.
Good. Right, switch up.
Yeah, go for it.
Switch up.
Fuck it. Can you go?
Yeah.
Something like that, yeah.
Yeah, I think it's time for the drums.
Yeah.
Kind of like yeety kind of style bounce with the
Yeah,
hi-hats
yeah,
for
yeah.
this. Okay, I got it. I got it. What am I doing? Literally that. I think honestly the drums are kind of simple for this.
Yeah,
like
just
that.
I think like the most of the energy also comes with for the kick and the 808.
Yeah, literally. 17 minutes.
Yeah.
Easy. Little at the end.
We? I think the cash reserve, the cash reserve, that's it. Exactly.
Make that shorter though.
Damn, that's long.
It's new jazz, man. Smooth. We'll go with that. I tell you what, we'll go with this 808.
Yeah,
that'll work.
that 808 is sick.
And I got this crazy bass that will also work. It's like a lot of switch ups in the low end, I think, for
Yeah,
this
yeah,
kind
yeah.
of style. That.
Yeah,
Mhm.
the Urus one.
Go jump in.
What do I do?
Oh, nice bounce, man. It's actually hard. Maybe mess with that 808 that I put in, that high one. That don't hang there, it's a bit weird.
I think it's fun to arrange it, man.
That's it, man. That was easy.
Huh?
That was easy. Should have done it in 15 minutes. Got 10 minutes left. Alright, let's also put a little structure. And I think that's it. What have we just put in, like
Cool sound effects to give it a change.
what about
The scratch thing.
Oh yeah. I got you.
Should be something like scratch.
Oh yeah, literally fucking scratch.
Yeah, that was actually fine.
Yeah. And that's the beat, you know.
That's
it.
simple.
That's it. Yep. Easy peasy. What I'm gonna do is arrange it, and then for the intro, I'm gonna do that, like you know,
Bum, bum, bum,
any
bum, bum,
NERD, yeah, like
like a fourth.
yeah. Yeah, that's it, man. With time to spare, man.
With time to spare, exactly.
Got a minute 15 to spare. We're done. finished. Turned out all right. That turned out all right, didn't it, man?
Yes.
Oh, do you know what? We can even do that thing, can't we, with the intro?
Oh, yeah. Exactly. More shorter, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nah, that's fine. It is smooth.
Yeah, I don't know, something needs to come in here. It's too like...
I think it's honestly the kick.
Is it that... It's time. We fucked it. Last minute. Nah, we didn't really. I think we got it. But yeah, that's going to be it for this one. You guys can let us know what you think of that one. If it was like new jazzy or just too much, too little. But I thought it was a vibe. You like it?
Of course I like it.
Like it, man.
It would turn way better than it was.
Yeah, that was sick. That was sick. But yeah, shout out to my guy Agui Fox. Go follow him, Agui Fox on Instagram. I'll just put his links in the description. But yeah, shout out to him for coming all the way from Portugal to come down for the session today.
Exactly.
We've been putting in some miles. But yeah, that's going to be it for us people. Take care.